Nano water purification dishwashing device, hereinafter referred to as the DishPal, serves as a front-end water inlet accessory for dishwashers, functioning in conjunction with conventional dishwashing systems. It replaces traditional chemical detergents used in dishwashers, effectively eliminating health risks caused by residual anionic synthetic detergents. When tap water flows through the billions of microscopic pores in the rare earth ceramic core tube, the nanostructured ones depolymerize large water molecule clusters into small molecule water. Concurrently, the active oxygen device releases a high concentration of negatively charged oxygen ions which fully integrate with the water. Inside the dishwasher, under high temperature and mechanical scrubbing conditions, the small molecule water utilizes surface tension and emulsification to encapsulate grease, forming an oil and water structure that lifts contaminants off tableware. Say goodbye to traditional chemical detergents. Our company has established a technical partnership with the National Center for Nanoscience and Technology, forming a dedicated R&D team for physical cleaning technology. We have achieved key technological breakthroughs in multiple aspects within the field of physical cleaning, securing over 70 domestic and international patents and filling a technological gap in China. This innovation has been recognized as internationally leading in national scientific evaluations. The DishPal has received 5 national-level technology awards and 1 international technology award. It is certified by ISO 9001, CE, and Food Contact Safety Standards, among others. To date, it has provided high-efficiency physical cleaning solutions to nearly 2,000 commercial kitchens, receiving favorable comments for being healthy, environmentally friendly, energy-saving, and safe. We redefine dishwashing. No dishwashing detergent required.